time I was paying attention to this doggone screen. Yes, photo, yes, for sure. We are at Caesar Palace. Caesar's Palace. We're going on a curvy escalator. Never seen a curvy escalator before. Oh, you get to see how beautiful the statues look in the ceiling. This place is beautiful. Hello, this is Raina Marie here. And I'm vlogging with the hubby. Yes, we're in Vegas for his birthday. This is day 2. So, day 1, I forgot to do the intro. So I'm doing the intro now. So yeah, obviously, you know, this is a vlog. This is a travel vlog. A very, very short one because I don't know how much I'm going to be filming. But so far, this is what I've filmed, just a few things. I'm tired. This man here has had me walking. He has me walk everywhere. I'm tired. My back hurts. My thigh keeps popping. Yeah, so whatever. But it's nice. Vegas is nice. It's heavy. It's smoky everywhere. Everybody smokes here. Food is nice so far. The views are amazing. You'll see it in the video, you guys. But oh, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I don't know if I'm gonna remember that at the end, so I'm gonna put it at the beginning. So yeah, come in, enjoy this birthday vlog for the husband in Vegas. This is what I'm talking about. Look at that view. That is beautiful. We're relaxing right now. Relaxing. Oh, look at these nails. These are the personal nails. I think I mentioned it in my previous video, my tutorial video about these nails. I had to cut these nails down. They were actually longer. But they started to split. So that's why I cut them down. And I actually thought they was gonna like start lifting or getting really with the tab glue. Or, you know, the tabs that come with. These are press-ons, the one that actually have the adhesive already to it. And I thought these would be lifting to the point where I could just like pop them off, but they are still lasting. I have a whole bunch of these from this company. I think it's called Finger Suit. Now, granted, their stuff might be better now than when it was when I first purchased it. I don't know. I'll probably buy some more and I'll do like a review with them. Maybe, I don't know. But anyways, I got a whole bunch of them, but the first time I wore it, they started to split, and that's why I was like, I'm not wearing them again. But then I wanted, you know, some cute nails when I was doing a tutorial video, and that's why I put these on, because I thought it was just going to last for like a day, and I could just like, but this little tab glue on here is lasting for a while. And they still look good. I mean, they just look like I went and got them done. And, you know, like I said, I cut them down. But yeah, I like these. Oh, ring. This is not my rating ring. This is something that I'm going to start doing now if we travel, just to keep my ring in a safe place at home and just wear something and replace this. Something that I know if I lose this, I'm not going to flip about it. So, yeah. But look at these nails. They're still cute. So I might rock these, but not rock them with the length that they came in. Just cut them down to this. Done deal. Chilling in Vegas. Only for us to eat McDonald's. Got some cookies. Ate some nuggets. Husband ate some, what did he eat? He ate a Big Mac. I haven't eaten McDonald's in years, but yet that's what I ate while we were in Vegas. But anyways.
What are you doing?
I'm just recording. We are out. Hopefully we get to see some cool, what is it, babe? It's a cool little water show at the Bellagio.
Yes.
Yeah. So, look, you can't see. There you go.
Oh, there we go.
hopefully be able to see that. My legs are sore and tired, but we'll find something I can pull through. Oh yeah. So we'll catch you on wherever we're gonna go. I gotta go down these stairs right now. Oh. birthday 3 in Vegas, still celebrating the hub's birthday. And we're up. It is 9 o'clock a.m. and we're up to go on a bus tour to the Hoover Dam. He said he wanted to do it, and that's what we're going to do. So, yeah, I got this part here really needs to be ironed, but since I'm wearing a jacket, I don't think it's going to show that much, so whatever. Anywho's, this black top here I got from Shein. These pants I got from Amazon, and I have my Nike shoes on, and I have my cheetah sleeveless vest that I'm going to be having over here. I mean, I know this is wrinkled, y'all, but I really don't feel like ironing anything. Plus it scrunches, they like scrunch up anyway, so I don't think people will really even notice that. So yeah. Oh, earrings I got from Target, and let me see if I can show you guys. Ooh, and this here is from my own collection, or I should say what I made for myself. Isn't this cute? I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite pieces I made for myself. So anyway, I'm waiting for the hubs to finish getting ready, and we are going to head over to Treasure Island, because that's where we're going to be. It's going to be a Treasure Island day, because the show that we're going to see later on is also at Treasure Island. So we're going to go ahead and walk over there as soon as he's done getting ready. So come join us today on the bus tour to the Hoover Dam. It's a video though.
Oh, it's video?
Yes.
Oh. Like I'm sitting there just staring at the thing.
Hey, babe.
Huh?
Hey.
I think I'm gonna take my picture over there.
Over there? You don't want it with the water? Oh, wow. Look, baby.
You know what's crazy? I seen this from the plane. We flew right over.
Oh, we did?
Somebody down? Oh yeah, I see a truck. Oh, it's over.
Oh my God, look at this, baby.
That's right.
See, you gotta get that side, not this side. It's hard for me to get that side. You looking over there.
Especially when we on the way back though.
Yeah.
I can't get that side.
Hey, look at that. I don't know. That's weird.
At first I thought it was somebody's baby for real.
Okay, so we just got seeing, just done seeing, what is it called, babe?
Cirque du Soleil.
Cirque du Soleil.
That's how they say it. Cirque du Soleil.
Cirque du Soleil. And I like it. What you think, babe? Did you enjoy your birthday gift?
Yes.
It was pretty cool. I've been wanting to see a show like that, so it was pretty cool. So now we have to figure out what we're going to eat. This is the last night here. So yeah, I couldn't film inside, so that's why I didn't have any footage, but it was pretty nice. So now we got to eat. Yeah, let's find something to eat. Bye, guys. I'm in heaven. Babe, they got them all.